Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Indrajit. I will first of all tell some things about me. I am from India. I live here in Quebec, Montreal. I studied here and I am in the process of immigrating here right now. For the immigration, I had to take a TEF Canada test. I got the results. I applied for the residency. I got C1, B2, B2, C1 as compréhension orale, compréhension écrite, expression orale, and expression écrite on TEF Canada. I took TEF AQ before that, but I did not need that. I just took it as to see how much can I score, and I scored B2 B2 on listening and speaking respectively. The thing is that when I was preparing for TEF Canada or even TEFEQ, I could not find any inspiration online. I was searching everywhere on YouTube or on other blogs or something like that to find the inspiration, like find people like me who are struggling, coming from this background, having the same background or something like that, but I couldn't find anybody. I found some people who were born here, who was from Indian origin, who were born here, but I couldn't find somebody like me who came here after maybe 12th or maybe after bachelor and who struggled with the immigration here. So that is the main reason why I want to start this channel, and this is my first video. Would love to help people like me, the people who are in need, who want to get B2 or B1 or whatever score you need for the immigration purposes, or maybe if you want to study in France, or you want to study here, and for that you need the required scores. I'm more than happy to help you guys, because I studied for this exam for 6 months, or maybe a little over 6 months. I think 7 months. I studied for it for 7 months, and um, I think I'm eligible to help the people like me. I tried from different sources, like the newspapers, the TV series, the movies, some online content, some YouTube videos also helped me a lot. And differentiating between the Quebecois and French accent was really difficult for me at the beginning, of course, because when you are taking the exam, they give you so many accents. Sometimes the accent is like different parts of from France. Sometimes the accent is from Quebec. Sometimes the accent is from Belgium. Just like IELTS, as in IELTS, you get the accent from Australia. Sometimes you get the accent from England, different parts of England, sometimes from Scotland, sometimes from Ireland. So that is the same principle over here too. And in the coming videos, I will be sharing my resources, where I learned French, how I learned French, how I improved the pronunciation and everything like that. So if you guys want me to share more content to how I learned French and how can you learn French in 6 months or maybe less than that, because there was nobody to guide me, but I'm here to guide you guys. So if you want to know more about how I aced this TEF Canada exam, then let me know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to share my resources with you guys. Thank you.